Hi, I've got a 640 F13 BMW on a dyno here, and so far I've done the normal system by pressing the button there for a long period of time. As you know, the dyno mode will be reached. I'm pressing it again. So we're on dyno mode. My problem is with the electronic park brake. It engages once I start the engine. It should now it's in a dyno mode. It should now actually start to work. But once I press the throttle, the parking brake goes on, and this completely banjaxes my or destroys my dyno, because it starts to engage when I push the full throttle, and nothing is possible. So how do you get this off? I have no idea. It's on an incline, so perhaps there's something there, but if you know, let me know.